So I'm going to show you how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu server. So I'm going to create a server using Terraform, so that makes easy. Of course, we can deploy it manually. It doesn't matter how do you deploy. Just gonna do that. Come on. Okay. So it's just gonna take a while. So if I refresh here, so now it's creating Jenkins server. It's a pending state. Okay, meanwhile I'll do install Jenkins on Ubuntu. Then let me go to the official docs, jenkins.io. So here, so before running these commands, so we need to install Java in it. So let's do apt update first. So before that, let me connect it to that server. So it's been up and running. So now I'm gonna do ssh -i. I'm gonna use a key. Then that's Ubuntu server. So Ubuntu is a default user. Then public IP. Okay, that's cool. So if you want to do something, so we have to be sudo user. So sudo space su. Then now the sudo user. If I do apt update, so it's gonna update the packages. Then I'm gonna run this command apt install chai. So that's gonna install Java 11th version. So it's fine. Let me paste it. That's it. Then I'm gonna do y. So now it's gonna install that Java version. So just in order to make sure we can run this command whether it's been installed or not. Once it is done. So come on. Okay, now it's been installed. Let me run the Java. So it's been installed now. So come back to the Jenkins docs again. Just copy this whole thing, then paste it in your command line, then enter. Now it's gonna install Jenkins. Okay, yes. So if I come back here, then copy this public IP, then paste it here. Okay, so this Jenkins runs on port 8080, so just enter 8080. So it's been done here. Just creating some that's a systemctl to enable it. So just creating that systemd files. So just make sure to open that port 8080 in security group as well, otherwise you won't be able to connect. Now if I refresh this page again, okay, still going on. Now it's been done. You just to make sure that you want to enable it while rebooting it, so just do systemctl enable Jenkins. So it's gonna make sure that whenever you reboot or restart the system, it's gonna enable it automatically. Then enter. That's it. So we need the default password because we just installed Jenkins. So just copy this whole path and then do cat space paste the command. So now you're gonna see the default password. Copy it and paste it here. I'm gonna save it. Then click on install suggested plugins. Now it's gonna install the required plugins. So once it go through, then I'm gonna put this link in the description as well. So just before installing before running these commands to install Jenkins, just make sure to run these commands to install Java first. Okay, now it's going through. Okay, create username. So this is just a test environment, so I'm gonna do all the defaults one. Admin, then admin at admin.com. Save and continue. It's okay. Never save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Okay, this is now we just configured the Jenkins. So let me create a job just to test. I'm gonna do test job, freestyle job, then okay. Then just I'm gonna use this shell just to run a simple command to create a file. I'm gonna create hello to hello.txt file, then save. Just build. Click on build now, so it's gonna build the job. So once it goes through, you're gonna see that okay, I pressed a couple of times. That's fine. So if I do go here console output, I could see that echo command has been run. Then this job is at this location, so if I go to that location in our system, cd space, if I do ls now, I can see that file. Even I can look that content of that file as well. So that's it. We just installed Jenkins on Ubuntu and ran a simple test job.